Welcome back. Now, Clickfunnels operates as a page builder as well as a shopping cart system. However, the platform does allow for connection to third-party payment processors which deliver third-party payment. However, the platform does allow for third-party access to their system. And you can add in products that you have listed on any of the third-party platforms. As of the recording of this video, Clickfunnels allows for connection to Deal Guardian, JVZoo, PayPal, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, Kajabi, Shopify, and Infusionsoft. So assuming that you have products set up inside of one of these platforms, you can combine them with Clickfunnels in order to sell that product. Representing one of these platforms, we're going to take a look at the Warrior Plus network. Now, you don't have to use Warrior Plus, however, it is representative of the process. So you'll notice here that inside of Warrior Plus, there are several products that are already set up here in this area. And what we're going to do is sell those products from within our ClickFunnels system. So assuming that we're already inside of our funnel settings, what we can do is to go down to the bottom of those funnel settings and we can click Add a Product. And what we're going to do is name the product. And we're going to use the product name inside of the and we're going to use the product name that's already given. And we're going to select the billing integration. Now once again, this is not the billing integration that you have to use. However, we can use this integration in order to represent the other billing integrations. We're going to give this billing integration a price. We're going to make sure that the pricing matches the pricing that's set inside of the product. So we're going to take a look inside of the product here, and we're going to take a look at the actual price. And you'll notice that you see pricing here. We're going to match that pricing inside of our ClickFunnels system. Now we could make this the bump on the order page, however we're not going to do. The one thing we could do is we could make this the product as the bump order on the page. So in other words, we are delivering one product and we are going to deliver a second product using this bump order system. We're going to now create the product. Now before you create the product, there are other tabs that you'll need to make sure are filled. You're going to also do the fulfillment email. And there is some pre-made content here, and you'll see it written in here with tokens already there. Now, one thing that you can do is you can give the customer a thank you page. We can use an existing thank you page and then add content to that page, or we can create a new thank you page. We are going to add to the existing thank you page. So we're going to create the thank you page. So we're going to create the product on this thank you page. We can also do email integration for this particular area. And so we can use a specific integration method. And in this case, what we can do is we can add the individual to a different get response list. We can choose to have this individual added to a campaign. And then we can add it to add them to a specific list. Now when you're doing digital products, obviously you're not going to be shipping. However, you could combine this with a shipping method. What we're now going to do is click Create Product. We're now going to save and update our settings. Now from within Warrior Plus, we're going to need the product ID. So we're going to need to copy this product ID We're then going to need to head back to ClickFunnels and then edit our product again. We're going to come back to the product. We're going to edit it. What we're going to do is to come down into our general settings. And what we're going to do is we're going to enter the cart ID into this area. We're then going to grab this webhook URL. So we're going to need to copy this webhook URL. Now, one of the things you'll notice is that it looks to be grayed out. However, it is there. You are going to need to copy it and then click Update Product. You're then going to need to turn on your custom integration inside of Warrior Plus.